Welcome to Chemistry Simplified. Our topic for today is arterial blood gas, and this is mainly for nursing students. As an emergency room nurse, you are caring for a trauma patient who has the following arterial blood gas results. pH is equal to 7.23, partial pressure of carbon dioxide is equal to 26, bicarbonate ion is equal to 22 milliequivalent per liters. How would you interpret these results? A. Respiratory acidosis with no compensation. B. Metabolic alkalosis with a compensatory alkalosis. C. Metabolic acidosis with no compensation. And D. Metabolic acidosis with a compensatory respiratory alkalosis. As always, we start with the pH. The given pH is 7.23. And normally, we know that a normal pH is between 7.35 to 7.45. Acidosis is any pH less than 7.35. Alkalosis is any pH that is greater than 7.45. So the given pH is 7.23, which is less than 7.35. So therefore, it is acidosis according to the pH. And we know the pH is like the Supreme Court. It's never wrong. The pH is never wrong. So the answer has to be acidosis according to the pH. Therefore, answer B, which says metabolic alkalosis, cannot be the answer because it disagrees with the pH. So we would cross this answer out. Now let's look at partial pressure of carbon dioxide, which is 26. We know that carbon dioxide would tell us if we have a respiratory problem. Let's check that. Normal value for carbon dioxide is between 35 to 45. Acidosis greater than 45, whereas alkalosis would be a value for CO2 that is less than 35. So the value given to us was 26, that is less than 35. So CO2 would say we have the problem is alkalosis. But we know this cannot be right because the pH says that the answer is acidosis, and we know the pH is the Supreme Court. So it must be that the carbon dioxide is doing compensation. Right? So we have pH, which is acidic, and carbon dioxide. That tells us that the answer should be respiratory alkalosis, and we know the answer cannot be alkalosis because it disagrees with the pH. The pH is the Supreme Court. The pH is king. Anything that disagrees with the pH cannot be right. So therefore, respiratory alkalosis is not the answer. So now let's look at bicarbonate ion, which is given as 12. And we know that bicarbonate tells us if we have a metabolic problem. So let's check to see if we have a metabolic problem. Normal value for bicarbonate is between 22 to 26. Acidosis would be less than 22. And alkalosis would be any value that is greater than 26. The value given to us is 12, which is less than 22, so therefore acidosis. This agrees with the pH because the pH said the answer should be acidic, and bicarbonate says acidic as well. Therefore, the answer is D, metabolic acidosis with a compensatory respiratory alkalosis. So the CO2 that was respiratory alkalosis is doing compensation. This is the end of our presentation. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and use the comment section to let us know if you had found the presentation to be useful. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye bye.